the Graves Motorsports Works throttle tube for the 2023 ZX4. This also fits the 21 to 23 ZX10R and RR. This throttle tube is made from 6061. It's hard anodized and it has a nylon bushing for very smooth operation. And we've shortened or eliminated the forward stroke that you find in a lot of the drive-by-wire bikes today. This motorcycle comes with ride-by-wire only, and it has a forward movement. And this gives a lot of road racers an unsettled feeling. They're unsure of going from all the way closed to this little bit of dead spot, and then it starts to preload. And so what we did is we took this forward stroke out of it. And I'm going to show you how to install this. It's pretty easy to do. But I do get a lot of phone calls from even qualified race technicians. So we make an aluminum throttle housing to install this into, and I'll show that to you here. This metal throttle housing requires additional wires for your on-off switch, but it's pretty cool. You can mount the buttons on the front of this, and it's a whole case, so it's a pretty nice product, but we're not going to install that today. Just going to let you know about it. So, a little tight to get in here. There's 4 3mm screws that hold this cap down, and I'm wearing these gloves so I don't get grease on my hands. I don't like grease on my fingers. So it's a little tight. Just reach in here and get these with an Allen. Or if you have a little short 3mm on a ratchet, you can do this as well. And we're going to remove the front screws all the way. You're going to see that it has this cutaway here. Be really careful because that's what holds the throttle tube in. You can see that little cutaway there. And you go to put our throttle tube in. See, it's metal. And that's where the stroke has been shortened. You see down inside here, there's 2 flats. You see that? And they're both different sizes. There's one here, and there's one down in here that might be kind of hard to see. What you want to do is you want to slide the tube in until you get it just past this. Then you need to rotate it back just a little bit until you feel it snap in. Snaps in place, and this part here gets just behind the edge. Now it's captured in there. And then make sure this goes down into the groove. Really important. And you'll know it's right when you get it in there. And now we have no forward stroke, or very little. We can reinstall the screws. Now don't get them all the way tight just yet. Set it up like that. We'll get our front screws in, and we'll slide it back in place till it gets to its pinhole, and then we'll lock it down and torque up the screws. Check your operation, make sure she's smooth. Install your grip, put your weight back on, and you're good to go.